Bitcoin holders, prepare right now because we can possibly see a Bitcoin crash very soon. With that said, hit the like button, subscribe for daily Bitcoin analysis. This is DC Trading. Let's get right into it. So, as you guys can see on the daily time frame, we have been on a downtrend lately. As you guys can see, for the past couple days since we reached the 24,200, well, the Bitcoin price has been retracing, and now we're sitting around 21,700. We are at a very important support level because if we break this support level, well, then we should expect to be testing the 20,600, which will ultimately tell us if we're going to be heading for a Bitcoin crash and maybe even a lower Bitcoin price. As you guys know, the lowest for Bitcoin in 2022 is around 15,500. If we take a look right here, the psychology of the market cycle, if this plays out, this means we're around the anger area. We retested and now we got rejected once again. This means we're going to see lower prices for Bitcoin, possibly a $10,000 Bitcoin. So what must happen? Well, guys, as I said, we must test the support level of 20,600. If we break below very easily and head even lower below 20,000, then we should expect a Bitcoin crash. And 2023 will be the bottom for Bitcoin, not 2022. Now looking over here, guys, what do we see? Well, we do have some strong support right here around 20,300. Lots of money to grab according to the liquidity indicator. It's possible that the price of Bitcoin can dip and briefly touch this area to grab all the liquidity, as I said. But if it easily breaks through and starts testing these areas, well, then we should expect the price of Bitcoin to crash very soon. As of right now, though, if we take a look at the hourly time frame, it is trying to recover, but right now we have lots of bad news in the crypto market. So I do expect a retest around 21,900 and then possibly a rejection, and we're going to head to even lower prices. We do have strong support and important support around this area, guys. Around, let's see, if we take a look on the daily time frame, we do have some support right here around the 21,300. If we break through, well, guys, we should expect a retest around 20,600. If we break through that, well, guys, it's going to be very, very concerning for the Bitcoin price and the crypto market, because then I expect a crypto crash because Bitcoin will crash. So overall, right now, the price is looking very bearish, and I'm concerned right now because we have right now a red candle on the daily time frame, and it looks like we are retesting this area, but I don't think it's strong enough to hold. So in the next few hours, we'll possibly see a rejection and a retest around the 21,300. Now, looking at the EMA, what do we see here, guys? Well, we saw a rejection around 24,000. Now we're retesting these. We have strong support according to the EMA. We have strong support around the EMA 25, which is 20,800, and also the EMA 20, which is 20,500. As I said, there's some indicators telling us, yes, we do have strong support around 20,600. So if we break through this, guys, it's going to get crazy in the crypto market. It's going to be blood everywhere. We're going to see red everywhere. And then we should be headed for another bottom lower than 15,500 since 2022. Now, looking at the liquidations, what do we see here? 151 million liquidated on short positions because people are concerned and they do believe that we are going to get wrecked once again and that we're going to head for another, bottom for Bitcoin. This is why people are getting liquidated as of right now on short positions, because it is retesting. This is why I said, guys, be patient. Don't do anything crazy. Don't start getting ahead of yourself because we don't know yet. We need confirmation. As I said, We need a retest at 21,900. If you guys reject it, that's a confirmation. We're going to head to 20,600 for the ultimate test. If we're going to head in for another bottom, or we're going to be bouncing off this and it was just a correction, guys. Yes, it's possible that this is just a correction, but we need to be aware. Also, looking at the S&P 500, job reports came out. They were better than expected, but guys, there's a lot of people coming out, or a lot of companies like Microsoft coming out with another layoff. Also, Yahoo's coming out saying that they're going to lay off 20% of their workforce, which is around 1,600 people. Microsoft said they're going to possibly lay off 10,000 workers. So guys, please be aware, because the S&P 500 is looking like a big fake out right now. We're going to head for another dip in the S&P 500. This is not looking very good right now, guys. It looks like the psychology of the market cycle is playing out as we speak, because we are retesting around this area and it looks like we're headed down again for another bottom. If this is the case, $10,000 Bitcoin is not out of the question. It's possible. I think it'll be around 13 to 14,000 realistically, just because that would be way too low, to be honest. But the S&P 500 is on a red candle, so we need to look out for that in the next couple of weeks. If we continue to make red candles, well, guys, we're headed for another recession possibly, and this is not looking good for the crypto market, for Bitcoin. I'm talking about a big crash coming ahead of us, and you guys need to prepare right now. I'm not saying it's going to happen. I'm saying it's a possibility. This is why I'm letting you guys know right now. Just be prepared for anything crazy. The best thing to do right now is to DCA, so you won't dollar cost average, so you won't have to worry about anything. If you DCA, I'm telling you guys, you're going to be stress free. But if you're trying to get in on the best position, it's going to be hard to tell, guys, because we don't know what it wants to do. All we're going to do is basically follow what it does. As I said, if we retest this and we break to the bottom, expect a new bottom for Bitcoin in this bear cycle. With that said, guys, hit the like button, subscribe. Make sure to turn on post notifications if you are subscribed already. And with that said, check out this video because YouTube is recommending it. Very, very important. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace, guys. Comment down below.